Hey everybody, new day, new project. Looky, looky, looky. This is probably my last non-Wanderlust subscription box for a while. Not saying it's the absolute last, hence the word probably, but I've been starting to turn them off one at a time. But I definitely wanted to get this Fran Addict Designer Box. This is fourth quarter because these are quarterly boxes. So it just came, let's open it up and see what project we will definitely be doing in this video. Here we go. I did cut the tape, but I have not looked inside. So this is my first look. Oh boy. I'll move it to the side and I'll pull them out one at a time. So this is beautiful. These are hexagonal cuts and red and white and some very ultra fine glitter, it looks like. Once again, Fran's, while I love the glitter and I think her products are fantastic, this is one of the companies that I wish would put the style of glitter on the label. Is it an ultrafine? Is it a rainbow? Is it a hollow? That sort of thing. I'd love to see that right here so I don't have to look it up on the website to find out. Just my personal preference. So here we have Aikman. Gosh. So Cowboys colors, I'm guessing. Blue and silver, huh? That's pretty. Here we have winter green. Okay, so fourth quarter, I'm sensing the seasonal theme here. Beautiful snowflakes, definitely hollow. Green hex cut, and it looks like some hollow tinsel in there as well, and some fine glitter. Wow. Wow. Oakley chunky. Okay, I don't have Oakley unless this, oh look, we have Oakley and Oakley chunky. Alrighty, beautiful coppers. So this is a regular cut, I guess, or maybe a fine cut, and this is the chunky version. Very pretty. Sonoma, oh, look at that. See, this is the sort of thing that I love. I just want to bathe in stuff like this. I'd be eternally sorry, but you know, the hollow just really sings to me. That is gorgeous. Oh, look! Oh my goodness, we have Marabou. We have Marabou. We have Easy Marble Paints. Oh golly, what do we have? We have silver, we have black, and we have gold. Well, that's a pretty collection. Alrighty, and I see another Marabou container in here, but it's alcohol ink. Let's see what that is. This is, come on, where are you? Metallic orange. Okay, I believe we have this already, but that's all right. That's all right. Here are some, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. So individualized packages this quarter. Holy crapola. I was not expecting that. Wow. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I don't know what I'm going to tie it onto, but whatever it is, it will be mine. A couple micas. We have this looks like a black mica, and I'm guessing a copper mica. Yeah, that is very pretty. Possibly rose gold, I'm not sure, but it goes really well with this. So whatever shade of metallic these are, whether it's copper or rose something. A couple molds. We have, I don't know what this is. I really don't know what the shape is. It looks a little strange to be a single coaster. I cannot identify this shape. Can anybody tell me what this is? I don't know. I don't know. All right, well, we have this oddly shaped mold, and then we have some very little molds here. Oh, little Christmas molds. Oh, you know what we could do with these? You know, it wouldn't be just for this box. So it would go outside the boundaries of just using things in this box, but this is screaming stickles to me. Wow. Wouldn't that be cool? That'd be kind of neat. And what else do we have? Oh, we have a fall gnome plaid pumpkin, and we have a thank you. That's very nice. Yay. Okay, well, I still don't know what this is. Is this a country that I'm geographically challenged about? Because the last time we got USA, that one I recognize, but I don't know. Anywho, all right. Now I have to figure out what we're going to do. Wow. It's going to be hard to use all these glitters, so I probably won't try. We could certainly do a tumbler. Put a single one of these glitters on as the base. It would be one of these two probably. And then hydro dip it. That'd be kind of cool. Haven't done something quite like that in a while. If we do these three colors, it would probably look prettiest on the winter green. You think? All right, that means I need a green cup. So I need to go get us a green cup. We will put this on the green cup with some resin, and we will, after it sets up and dries to the touch, then we will go to the deck and hydro dip it. And then we'll have to figure out a decal, but that will be a few steps away, so I won't worry about that just yet. Okay, so there's our initial plan. And I still want to do this with stickles, but maybe I'll save that for a separate video. I will go get the green cup ready and I'll meet you back here. And we're back. Okay, I have my green cup. This is a 20-ounce skinny straight from Makerflow. I'll link to everything below as always. I am going to use the wintergreen hollow shapes chunky mix. And I'm going to mix up about 60 milliliters, 2 ounces of resin, because I have some other cups going over here. But I'm going to split off about between 20 and 30 into a separate cup, and I'm going to pour this in and mix it up, and I'm going to slap it on. And then we'll come back after it hardens up, and we will go on to the next step, which will be the hydro dipping. So sit back and enjoy this portion of the show. And we're back. All right, as you can see, we are out on the deck, our hydro dip bucket, and I have our dry to the touch set up. It is not smooth and flat. Apparently that works with chunkies, but it does not work when you get bigger shapes in there. Some of the points on my stars bent while I was putting them on in the resin, and so I've got some sticker upper issues here, but we're gonna go ahead with our hydro dip and then put another layer of resin on, and hopefully that will give us the smooth surface we'll need to put on a decal. So here's what we're gonna do. I have the 3 colors that came in the Fran Addict Designer Box, the gold, the silver, and the black. I am only gonna use a very, very little black because I really, maybe for an accent, but I don't want much. So we'll use the gold and the silver and a tiny bit of black, and then I am adding in a glitter Easy Marble paint that shifts from green to red to gold, because this is obviously going Christmas here, and that's a pretty Christmassy shift. So we'll have these 4. I'm going to shake them up, I'm going to drop them in, going to use my skewer to sort of marble things and tack it to the edge, spread it all out, and then I'm going to take my tumbler and I'm going to dip and twist, and we'll see what we get. Start by shaking up my Easy Marble paints. Okay, first one up, glitter. This is the green to gold to red, or green to red to gold shift. And I want a good bit of this. Here's our gold. Here's our silver. It's a very deep silver, more like a pewter, and then just a very little bit of black. Alrighty, do some marbling, spread everything out. here we go. Dip and twist. All right. There, can you see that? That is super cool. That is really, really gorgeous. The silver and the gold are a little more subtle than I expected, but they're there. I can see them. Once this dries off and we go to put another layer of resin on, I will show you a better up close so you can see where they hit. They're sort of blending in with all the other sparkles on the cup, but that's okay. That's actually just fine. I love how the black accented though. That's pretty cool. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna dry this off and I'll meet you back in the craft room. Stay tuned. And we're back. Okay, I put a coat of liquidy split on this, the fast set from KS Resin, because I wanted to move things along. I have a Christmas-ish, nice-ish graphic. I printed this out on the Nito brand printable vinyl I like. And I told my Cricut to cut it out. I used the offset function in Cricut Design Space to make an offset around it so that I could more easily cut it out. I decided to make it green instead of white, hoping that it would be less, I don't know, stark looking. It's not an exact green match, but it's pretty close. So I'm just going to tuck on my little gnome here. How does that look? That looks pretty good. And then work from the center out. Try to eliminate all bubbles and wrinkles. There we go. So we have a Christmas cup with a Christmas gnome and a little smirk and the phrase nice-ish. And here is how this looked. I mean, this is just gorgeous. There is gold. Again, I don't know how well this shows up on camera. I do have some veins of gold and I have some veins of silver, and they've clung to the black, so I just think it's beautiful. I love the hollow snowflakes that didn't cause me trouble. There's still a couple. That one's still, I'm gonna have to do a very light sanding in a couple spots. I will put Marabou Rainbow Alcohol Ink in the final layer of KS Liquid Stone Resin that I'm going to put on the whole cup, and then it will be done and we will take it out in the sunshine and see how it looks. So stay tuned for our big reveal.